Now I say, ask yourself. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Plus 4 is 5. But what is 4 minus 1 equals 3? 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 5 and 0 are the same area. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the area over here becomes 10. And at the same time, it becomes 10. But when it becomes 10, this is what happens. When it becomes 10, this is exactly what it has to look like. Now, I might not have the design right. It could go like this, right? But it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we count over here, this. And the reality is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have this one over here, okay? And then again, we put, in this one, we put 1 or 5. Is that correct? 4 plus 1, back to the 5 again. 5 and 5 is now 10 when we arrive over here. Then we go 11, 12, 13, 14, and we just go 1, 1, 1. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. So now check this out what happens. So I'll call this as the 10 area. We get 5. I minus 1, I went to 5. I minus 1, I went to 1, 5. Okay, this one is valued at 10. So instead of saying going down to 0, okay, I'm now at 10. I'm at 9. So 1 goes into this area as 9. 1 goes into this area as 9 and 0. 1 goes into this area as 9, 0, 1, 5. 1, 0, 5, 9. All the same area. 1, 0, 5, 9. They're just different levels. 14, 23, 32. Now, if you're offsetting them, it'll be 14, 23, 32. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. Now, the thing about this whole thing is if the other 5 was here, right, we'd have 1 area, 2 areas, 3 areas. 1 area, 2 areas, 3 areas. This area would have 1 area, 2 areas. This area would have 1 area, 2 areas. This area would have 1 area, 2 areas. This area would have, however, 2 areas. Do you notice we have minus, 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 plus, plus? This is the way the scenario goes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time, instead of doing this, this is what we're going to do. Now, stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We're just going to put a distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to put a distance. Then we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to put a distance. And we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, we put the distance over here. And I turned it around to mirror the other side, like folding over. Okay. This area over here would be the 5th area from one way. It would be the 0 area from the other way, but there is no 0. 0 falls into 9 because it goes this way. They connect and they go this way. So it's 5 and 9. This one is 5 and 9. The first one over here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, okay, would be 5 and 9. EI, right? And here it's 4 and 4 plus the connection. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we have 10. So we had 5, 0, and now we have 10. Because these two join, they become 8. The average becomes 4. These two join also. This one becomes 5. This one becomes 8. This one becomes 5. And then we start to connect things. We take 1 and we put it to 1. We take 2 and put it to 2. We take 3 and put it to 3. We take 4 and put it to 4. Then over here, we go like this. Then over here, okay, we start to do the same thing. 4 over to 4, 3 over to 3, 2 over to 2. And then we go 1 over to 1. And then we have this pull down here, and we have this pull down here, and we have this pull down here. Right? Now we have the M coming together. N reaches the center. N reaches the center. N and N reaches the center. M is of the V in the center of these 8 numbers. 4, 8, 4. 4, area space. 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 4. We have 3 spaces. 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have a total of 19. And then this way or this way. 20, 21. We're all linked up. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.